In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an invoice in Zoho CRM. If you're ready to streamline your billing processes, follow along to see how easy it is to get started. First, you'll need to go to your browser and log into your Zoho account by visiting Zoho Accounts. Once you've logged in, you will want to navigate to the highlighted area on the page that will guide you toward accessing the CRM. This is your hub for all client relationship management tasks. Look for the CRM option, and once you find it, go ahead and click on that to enter Zoho CRM. You should now be on the home page of Zoho CRM. From here, keep an eye out for the highlighted area on the dashboard that corresponds to the invoice section. Click on it, and you'll be directed to the part of the CRM dedicated to managing your invoices. Once there, select the option that's explicitly associated with invoices. This gets you into the workspace where all your invoice activities will take place. Next, it's time to start creating your invoice. You'll begin by clicking on the invoice owner. This is essential as it identifies who is responsible for the invoice. Following this, provide a subject for your invoice. Make it clear and specific to ensure both you and the client know what the invoice is regarding. Inputting the invoice date and due date are your next steps. The invoice date should reflect when the invoice is created, while the due date indicates when the payment is expected. If applicable, set the sales commission percentage for this invoice. This field is particularly useful if the invoice involves sales representatives with commission-based earnings. Afterward, you'll want to select the account name from your list of contacts. This makes the invoice recipient clear from your existing entries. Alongside, you have the option to specify the deal name, if this invoice is tied to a particular deal. Additionally, the sales order and purchase order numbers, if available, can be filled out next to track these transactions associations. Moving on, you will enter the billing details such as the billing street, city, state, code, and country. If your invoice involves shipping items, fill in the corresponding shipping address fields. This helps eliminate any confusion about where goods should be delivered. Next, it's time to specify what you're billing for by entering the product name, serial number, and quantity. You'll then provide the amount, any discounts offered, and tax details if applicable. If there's more than one item, feel free to add additional rows to your invoice. The final touches include adding terms and conditions and any additional description information that could aid in clarifying the invoice. Finally, review all the entered information, and once you are satisfied, look for the option to create form views, and then proceed to create a custom form page. This gives your invoice a tailored look before sending it off. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you can efficiently create and manage invoices within Zoho CRM. Take advantage of these tools to better track your financial transactions and maintain organized records. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.